What an ugly day, but we were expecting it as prices ran up into the sell zone up here near the 20 MA, where prices broke down from in what we call minor resistance. In the prior video, I explained how this congestion, which you can't see right here, where I explained it pre-market this morning, the overlapping bars in there that you can see on an intraday basis was where this was going to stall. I think it was prior yesterday morning. So then today on the CPI data, we get the nasty gap down, a sizable gap down, and there was little to no reprieve. There was a little bit during the doldrums here at the middle of the day. We can see these pivot lows begin to form close to each other, where buyers had the opportunity to take it higher, and they began to. And you can see down here, this is the NYSE tick. It was pretty much negative all day long, pegging down here at minus 1,000 throughout the day. The AD line was under minus 2,000 all day long. That just tells you the odds are not on the long side, and the volatility index was trending higher all day long. So with the combination of an AD line well under 2,000, the volatility index rising, ticks primarily negative, do not go long, and it had a tradable void. Last night I explained the sideways consolidation on the hourly chart. If it broke down below that, we'd be looking for lower prices. Not only did it break below it, it gapped well below it and under the next level of support. Now, when it came down to this level here, these pivots on the 60-minute chart, intraday, I thought maybe it would try to bounce from there. And you can see on the 5-minute, the momentum slowed where those small candle bodies occurred. And when it couldn't even trade above a prior bars high on the 5-minute chart, buyers just gave it up, where they stepped in at that level, stalled the momentum, small candle ranges. And then once it didn't happen, of course, they hit the bid and down it went to the next level. So what I'm looking for tomorrow, I think, is going to set up at least an intraday buying opportunity, since it'll be coming down here to this area, this prior low area right there. Coming down here, and 3,900 being a big whole number, and there'll be a large open interest of put options down there. I think if it gaps down there, it's going to set up at least a short-term rally in the morning, coming down to that level. Because it came down throughout the day without any type of a meaningful bounce. There was some stabilization there while everybody was at lunch, and then it went lower. We've got a big wide range igniting bar again, which says it's going to continue to go lower. However, coming down to this low, at least for intraday traders, is going to provide an opportunity, I believe, on the long side. So we're going to see how that plays out. If interested, join us in the green room tomorrow. Come onto the site, mastertrader.com. You can get a trial for $7. Spend a week with us, see how things play out, the trades that we'll be taking, and ask any questions, learn. If not, we will be live again tomorrow, and we'll talk then. Have a good one.